Land surveyors' jobs. New land survey problem. In field survey, a traverse aptia is to be plotted by taking field observations with digital land survey (DLS) equipment. Explain the procedure of instrument use on the field. DLS equipment is preferred to use of instruments like theodolite and total station for following reasons. The new instrument is less costly and can be operated by undergraduates after short-term training. The conventional instruments can be operated by trained engineers only. 2. The observation process with conventional instruments takes lot of time in the fieldwork. On the other hand, DLS equipment observation time in the fieldwork is very much reduced. From email correspondence it is found you eagerly look forward to online surveyors training at approved JST Network Franchise Center to become self-employed. Please like the video attached. Thank you. Observation plan with DLS equipment. To draw the traverse aptia with DLS equipment, the field is visited and a key diagram of observations plan is prepared as shown on the screen. A, B, C, D and E are the control points on the ground traverse. The DLS equipment is placed at any point, O, inside the traverse. From point O, and raised to all ground control points A, B, C, D and E need to be drawn. Observation procedure. DLS equipment is set at any point, O, inside the traverse. Place the drawing sheet on the board and draw rays OA, OCOD and OE using the optical lightning vane supplied the instrument. Use laser meter mounted on the stand to measure only distance OA marked on the screen. Observed data processing with soft app. DLS equipment is supplied with soft app to process the field observations and compute the ray distances OB, OC, OD and OE. The steps are as under. Switch P-1 in the office. Measure the included angles between each pair of rays with a precise protractor. The angles are marked on the figure shown on the screen. Switch P-2 consider triangle AOB. To compute the distance OB using the soft app, we have side OA is equal to 70 units, and included angle at O is 42 degrees. The radius of the circle is R is equal to 0.5 into cosec 42. We get R is equal to 52.30 units. Invoke soft app to process for side OB. The results of B is equal to 75.32 or 45.42 units. The extract of data processing and the result given by the soft app is presented below. Switch P-2 continued. According to given topology, side B greater than A, therefore B is equal to 75.32 is accepted value. Switch P-3 repeat step 2, to get the values of OC, OD and OE using the given soft app with data in triangles BOC, COD, DO and EOA. The figure on the screen shows all radial distances. Step 4 results. Join the ground control points by lines from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E and E to A. The required traverse aptia is thus drawn on the screen. Distances AB, BC, CD, D, and EA are measured and scaled off. The resulted values are marked against each side. Dear students, you have learned the innovative solution of the given land surveying problem. Training of land surveyors at approved JST Network Franchise Center provides opportunity anyone to become entrepreneur. After training you can be employed as surveyor in any civil engineering department, or you can undertake production and marketing, or you may run own training center and join approved JST network on any part of the country. Please like the video attached and subscribe the channel. Place your order to purchase DLS equipment by email correspondence given on the screen. Thank you.